Vaillant boiler showing F22. That means your boiler has detected low water pressure, a common issue that can stop your heating and hot water from working. The F22 code is your boiler's safety signal, protecting itself from running dry or overheating. It's a warning that something in your system needs professional attention. At Net-Plumbers, we're gas-safe registered and specialists in Vaillant boiler repairs. We'll diagnose and fix your F22 faults safely, efficiently, and often within 24 hours. Whether it's an EcoTech, EcoFit, or EcoMax model, our engineers know Vaillant inside out. Don't risk making it worse. Leave it to the experts. Call 033 052 01642. Visit www.netplumbers.com. Net-Plumbers. Reliable, affordable, expert Vaillant care.